To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Loosen the hose clamp before disengaging. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Remove the fasteners. Lift the housing. If needed, use some force. Remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. When reinstalling the housing cover, slide it down and flush it with the filter to slide the bottom tabs into their catch. The fasteners will not fully re-engage unless the tabs are inside the catch. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the hose. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the sensor. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.